Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this one-owner, accident-free 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have loads of cargo space, as well as 12-volt power and an additional way to flip down your rear seats. Moving to the interior, you have power windows and mirrors with express down on all 4 windows and express up on the drivers. You have premium cloth seats with gold stitching, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. On the steering wheel is your cruise control, forward collision warning, as well as your lane keep assist and your hands-free audio. This vehicle has 71,082 kilometers currently. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto built in. Your climate controls with heated front seats, power ports, drivetrain select, and gear select. Looking at the back of the interior, you have a rear seat pocket in both the front driver and passenger seats. You have rear AC, as well as 2 USB ports. These are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center seat. If you'd like to see this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.